Backlash, back off. The gantry must be firmly attached to the machine so that it cannot move freely, as even the slightest inaccuracy can lead to defects or misalignment. Hello, this is Wattsan Technical, and today we're going to tell you how to get rid of backlash. We will show you how to adjust the machine using the example of the Wattsan M11313 router. Backlash is a gap of poor fit that occurs between parts of equipment, and one of those places is between the motor and the rack. To be more precise, between the helical pulley and the rack. It is because of this the gantry can go a little wander during the work. You can find them behind the plate that supports the gantry. The first thing we do is find the engine and loosen the bolts that hold it in place. All four of them, so we can move it. It should be able to lower itself once the bolts are loosened enough. The next step is to lift the motor as far as it will go. It is necessary to press it firmly against the rack. It is best to carry out all these operations closer to the portal so that the gear is pressed evenly against the rack. The last two steps. Once we have lifted the engine, we need to lock it in this position. You can do this by sitting down and pressing down with your foot. Use your free hands to tighten the four screws. Finally, check the result of our actions. Is there any backlash left? This can be done by shaking the machine gantry slightly. It must remain stationary. That's it. We have eliminated the backlash and your machine will now run with absolute precision. Do you have any other questions about setting up your machine? Write in the comments and our engineers will answer. Like us and subscribe to the channel. This is Wattsan Technical. See you next time.